Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about 5S terms and its benefits. Friends, you hear in many industries these 5S terms are 6S terms. These 5S terms updated as 6S terms. So what is 6S terms and its benefits? We describe one by one. So first S means sorting out. First S means sorting out. What is sorting out? What is action to be taken? The action to be taken as segregate wanted and unwanted things. Now remove unwanted things. Now decide on frequency of sorting out. You decide 1 week, 2 week or per day to sorting out unwanted and wanted things. Now what is the benefit of first S or sorting out? The benefits of sorting out is space saving and environment in work efficiency. Space saving and improvement in work efficiency. The first is this is a benefit, space saving and improvement in work efficiency. Now move the second S. Second S means systematic arrangement. Systematic arrangement. What is systematic arrangement and what action to be taken in systematic arrangement? The first one is decide the place and arranging in order. You sorting out here, and if wanted things you sort out, then decide their place and arrange in order. A place for everything and everything in its place. You decide everything having their proper place. So what is the benefit of systematic arrangement? The benefit of systematic arrangement is search time reduced. Search time reduced. Now the third S is sign everything, that means cleaning. Friends, action to be taken is dust free equipment or workplace, make it easy to clean, and now make it easy to inspect abnormalities. The benefit of sign everything or cleaning is here healthy work environment, abnormalities are visible and corrected it. If workpiece or any gases are cleaned, then its abnormalities are easily inspected and corrected it. Now the fourth S is standardization. Action to be taken. The action to be taken in here is in standardization is standard procedure for all activities. If you done any activity, then these all activities having their standard procedure, and their procedures are reviewed every week, every month. You decide fixed interval as well. Now the benefits of standardization is achieving higher productivity as well better quality. If you decide standardization, then this benefit is achieving higher productivity as well better qualities. Now the 5S is self discipline. If you done all the four one but you don't having in their self discipline, then these above 4 S is not in work properly. So most important thing is discipline, self discipline, that is a 5S. So forming the habit and it will become a culture. Regular training and updated. Follow the decided things. If anything decide, then you follow their decided things. Now the benefits of 5S is here habit doing it right first time and every time. Total employees involvement. Here habit of doing it right first time and every time, total employees involvement. Now the 6S is safety. Safety is the more priority of this. Friends, here we interchange this. This 6S goes 5S and this is goes to here. We interchange them. 6S here and 5S here because 6S safety and then last one is self discipline. If you improvement in this is a my point of view. So 5S you understand out. First one is sorting out, second S is systematic arrangement, third S is sign everything or cleaning, fourth S is standardization, and 5S is self discipline, and now the 6S is safety. Thank you. Thank you, friends.